GiftHunterClub has been paying users for years through surveys, offers, videos, and cashback shopping. But the payout system still depends heavily on where you live and which offers you qualify for. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how GiftHunterClub works, what it pays, and whether it's worth your time in 2026. GiftHunterClub is a reward site. You earn points for doing small online tasks, then convert those points into cash or gift cards. The platform is available on desktop and mobile, and the setup is simple. You create an account, verify your email, and start earning right away. The main question is whether it's legit. Yes, it's legit in the sense that it does pay. Users have posted proof of payouts through PayPal and gift cards. The bigger issue is not legitimacy. It's efficiency. Here's how the earning side works. First, surveys. This is the biggest category. You answer profile questions, then get matched with surveys. The problem is disqualifications. You can spend 5 minutes answering pre-screen questions and get kicked out. That's common. Second, offer walls. This is where many users make faster progress. Offer providers like Review, AdGate, and Lootably usually pay for app installs, free trials, or game milestones. These can stack faster than surveys if you choose carefully. Third, videos and small tasks. These pay less, but they're passive. You can let them run while doing something else. The trade-off is slower earnings. Now, the payout side. GiftHunterClub lets you redeem through PayPal, Amazon, and other gift cards. Before cashing out, check the minimum redemption inside your account because it can vary by country and reward type. The best way to use it is not as a main income source. Use it as a side app. Focus on high-paying offer walls first. Skip low-value video loops unless you're multitasking. Check daily bonuses and promo codes because those can boost your points without extra work. Also, complete your profile fully. That usually unlocks better survey targeting. Here's the bottom line. GiftHunterClub is legit. It's not a scam, but it's not fast money either. The best parts are the offer walls, flexible payout options, and low barrier to start. The worst parts are survey disqualifications and inconsistent earning rates. If you want to test it, start with one offer wall and track how long it takes to reach your first cash out. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check the next review before you sign up for another rewards app.